Have you ever wondered how to make money on TikTok? A platform with millions of users worldwide, TikTok isn't just about viral dances and comedy sketches. It's also a potential goldmine for those looking to turn their creativity into cash. But how exactly does one go about monetizing their TikTok fame? Firstly, it's crucial to understand that TikTok, like any other social media platform, is all about the audience. In order to be successful, it's necessary to build a strong and engaged following. This means creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with viewers and posting regularly to maintain visibility. It sounds simple, but it takes time, effort, and a good understanding of the platform's algorithms and trends. Once a substantial following is achieved, there are several ways to start making money on TikTok. One of the most direct methods is through brand partnerships and sponsorships. Companies are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products or services, and having a large TikTok following can make one an attractive prospect. These partnerships can take many forms, from product placement in videos to dedicated promotional posts. Another way to earn money on TikTok is through the platform's Creator Fund. This fund was set up by TikTok to pay creators for their content based on views and engagement. To be eligible, creators need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have received at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. While the payout from the Creator Fund varies, it can provide a steady income stream for popular creators. Live streaming is another avenue for monetization on TikTok. During these live sessions, viewers have the option to send virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. This not only provides an additional income stream, but also allows creators to interact directly with their audience, building stronger relationships and fostering a sense of community. Finally, there's the option of merchandising. For creators with a strong personal brand, selling merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or other branded items can be a profitable venture. This not only provides an additional revenue stream, but also helps to increase brand visibility and loyalty. In summary, making money on TikTok requires building a strong, engaged following, partnering with brands, taking advantage of the Creator Fund, utilizing live streams for gifts, and potentially selling merchandise. It's not a quick or easy process, but with creativity, dedication, and a good understanding of the platform, it's entirely possible to turn those short videos into a substantial income. Remember, every TikTok star started with their first post. The key is to start, be consistent, and always strive to create engaging content for your followers. The rest, as they say, will follow.